Hello students, let us solve some examples based on theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. Before we solve some examples, quickly revise theorem. The property is the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its remote interior angles. Let us illustrate this by a diagram. Suppose triangle PQR is given over here. For this triangle, angle PRS is an exterior angle. So by this property, measure of this angle PRS must be equal to measure of angle P plus measure of angle Q. So we have to use this property to solve some examples. Let us consider the first question. The diagram is given. Question is angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Measure of angle B is 40 degree. Measure of angle A is 70 degree. And from that we have to find measure of angle ACD. So as in triangle ABC, angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle. By the theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle, we have measure of this exterior angle must be equal to sum of its remote interior angles. That is, measure of angle ACD is equal to measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle BAC, as angle ABC and angle BAC are the remote interior angles of angle ACD. That's why by this theorem we can write this statement. In this equation we have measure of angle ABC and measure of angle BAC that are given to be 40 degree and 70 degree. We'll replace here, that is 40 degree plus 70 degree is equal to measure of angle ACD. 40 degree plus 70 degree, it's 110 degree, that is equal to measure of angle ACD. So this is the measure of angle ACD. Let's have another question. The diagram is given. There is a question based on this diagram. Measures of some angles are given in this diagram, and by using that we have to find the values of x, y and z. In this diagram, triangle ENM is given, and x, y and z are the measures of angle N, angle E and angle M. So we have to find the measures of these three angles of triangle ENM. I will start with the given. As we can see in the diagram, angle TEN and angle NEM are angles in linear pair. So their sum must be 180 degree. That's why angle TEN plus angle MEN is equal to 180 degree, because these are angles in linear pair. Now one of these angles is given, that is angle TEN is 100 degree. So we'll replace here 100 degree plus angle MEN is equal to 180 degree. If we take 100 degree to the right hand side, it will become minus. To get angle MEN is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. That is angle MEN is equal to 80 degree. That is angle MEN is represented by variable y. That's why we get the value of y here. Y is equal to 80 degree. In the same way, there is another pair of angles in linear pair. It is angle EMR and angle EMN. These two angles are also angles in linear pair, so they must be also supplementary. That means sum of these two measures is 180 degree, as these are angles in linear pair. If we replace measure of angle EMR by 140 degree, which is given, we get 140 degree plus angle EMN is equal to 180 degree. So angle EMN is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree. 180 degree minus 140 degree, that's 40 degree. So angle EMN, which is represented by a variable z, that's why value of z is 40 degree. Now here in triangle ENM, as angle EMR is an exterior angle of a triangle, we can use the theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. By that we have measure of angle EMR, which is equal to sum of its remote interior angles, and for angle EMR, remote interior angles are x and y. So we should write here measure of angle EMR is equal to x plus y. Measure of angle EMR is 140 degree, that's given, we should write here, is equal to x, we have to find x, so we'll take x as it is, plus value of y is 80 degree. So y is replaced by 80 here. If we transfer 80 to the left hand side, it will become 140 degree minus 80 degree, that is equal to 60 degree. we get x is equal to 60 degree. So these are the values of x, y and z. That is x is equal to 60 degree, y is equal to 80 degree, and z is equal to 40 degree, which are the angles of triangle ENM.